Talafalava, everyone. Malole soe fua and welcome and a warm Pacific greetings to all of our beautiful and awesome viewers today. What an amazing day today. God is good. It's Wednesday and we have Asiata in the building here at the Pacific Business Hub. Asiata, hello, welcome.
Kia ora, talofa.
How have you been today?
Yeah, so far so good.
Yeah.
So far so good, men in blue.
Man in blue with the blues gear.
Absolutely.
Inga foi, the blues.
Oh my. Do you really have to start it this way?
I'm waiting for the day that we are blessed with an awards night with the blues saying, that's it. Lea o malole blues. So I'm waiting for that day where I get to go make that announcement.
Absolutely. We just never give up.
Yeah.
Never give up. Put the hope on and then never give up.
Yeah. Well, it's been a busy day here at the Pacific Business Hub. So a massive shout out to our team and our surrounding businesses here at the Pacific Business Hub. Ia o le aso fo ia ngai. We welcomed here at the Pacific Business Hub a new business to the family. So a massive talofalava and welcome to iTech Support Solutions. The owner and director, Nehemiah Soli Ola, has come and joined here our blue team.
Oh, okay. That serves there, yeah.
So Laura has again directed, Nehemiah to come through, and I can't wait because sometimes we have technical issues here at the hub. Well, hardly ever. I think it's my personal use when I get into trouble with my phone, and maybe he can give me the IT solution that I want.
Wow.
But so here we welcome to the team. If you need any assistance with your current business or a new business idea, man, head over to the Pacific Business Hub. We're all about showing our love and support to our Pasifika community. You don't have to be someone or walks of life. We're here to help and support you. But also, it's been a big day for Fit Family. Yeah.
Wow.
So, Alessio, this is my public apology. I still love and adore you and the team. I do apologize that we haven't been able to make fitness in the morning. But the team, look, Hazel, the real boss lady, yeah. Yes.
Oh.
And if you haven't already seen the results, Punia Lava, wow. Yeah. Yeah, it is Puni's little brother.
Oh.
The new and improved team, they have smashed it out and they look amazing. They are so healthy. They are happier.
Wow.
And if you want to see Punia Lava live, this Friday is Fit Family, their awards night.
Wow.
And I'm pretty sure if you haven't already seen Gloria likes to put up her before and after photos. So a massive shout out to Gloria, who always supports. Gloria Fido, a massive shout out to you and to everyone in the Fit Family. So if you want, we've got a photo up here, please, producer Lemo, if you've got those details up.
Yeah. Fit Family.
Yes, the Fit Family. No. This is their awards night. So the details are on there. It's only $20. Come through and celebrate. The Blue Wave team will be there. I will be there. Yes, Ole Pokalame I was part of, but unfortunately, okay. So it is sponsored.
So are you telling me now I'm with you now, so I'm part of it as well?
Yeah. Might as well. So join us for our awards night this coming Friday. The details are on there. Absolutely. And we will also show, you can go over to Fit Family. If you want to be part of the Fit Family, hit up Alessio e mawhai lavanga whesuswangi ia Alessio a wā ia le journey to a better and a healthier lifestyle.
Now, speaking of punia lava.
Yes.
Ia, te lo matua fia le foi sunga fia nga Mr. Freitua. Ua tau le tele ni whaatau o le whale.
Yeah.
Waza tele na matua whaata ma ia le sunga ia puni.
Yeah.
Ale li lona nai. O la vema li lona nai.
Nanai looks amazing. The whole Punyalava'a family have been awesome. They've done extremely well. So if you want to look just as good, head over to Fit Family. We've already given you the details. Come and join us, celebrate a healthier lifestyle with our Fit Family team. And also, Punyalava'a will be performing, Sammy Atoa, and also DJ Frico will be there as well. So, Friday, that's us, kako umanga.
Amazing. Well, big shout out to the big boys as well. To my uso, Sammy Atoa.
Yeah.
Anyway, and Mr. Ford, I told Marilla, Bisse, Lepo, Kafia, yeah. You know, I'm pretty sure, I would done okay today.
I'll give you a discount. Your ticket is $50. That's all a discount. All VIP. But it's been busy. It's been a busy day today. You've been in and out of the office with your beautiful Hana.
Oh, I thought you were referring to my...
No. How has it been? Well, actually, we had Tui join us earlier on. Let's touch up a little bit. Can you give us a little bit of details? Wā ili kako pāloka le isa ngoma. Wālu le vai aso o ka o mai ia le, we were really happy with the announcement. But can you give us, give us a little bit of...
Yeah, well, thanks, Pia. Even though I'm not a political editor, but I'll try my best as well. O tūlanga na lea sa awhain tau maua mai le awhasalaunga special le sunga ia tui. O la whako toi o le whamasinonga. Whawhingo fie whapena, la utu o le whamasinonga. Lono wingo le aso wharaile nei, o tae ao le ut whamoe moe e maua i le unga. O le vaenga foi le fo kauma pe vailo lo faiva fa mai tu e tau tau le vaenga nga o le stay of execution for something
for
fa sa moina lo no winga o le vaenga foi le ava tu le talo sanga ina ia tau fia mai le fa wa wina o le faiunga le ana mai le sona nafi o le sola atayao le e wha moe e mauai, e le lauinai e mauai le unga na, ai aso wharaile e loa, o na lauai leo le unga. Pe ua talia e le whamasinonga, ia le stay off execution le na, pe o le a whaawau. Ruingo le teiminei, pau lava le vaenga tatu te whaia, o le ono sai, au ore fai meita. Mai le tala listo ina mantou i Samoa i Loli. Au ore fai meita. Fai mea fia matatu sanga i luma. Ma ua fo. O lena ma ua lesi taimi o lena whapea tūlanga whila na malanga tō whalala taimi la fioanga. Ia tūlonga fo pa ia ole. Ainga tō wana malala tūtam. Ma lue wham tūlo sa longo tanga tole vau. Baran fo fia. Ia la ua i a ao leo. So the police departments have involved. And so far they've taken into it's under control now.
That's good.
So ole tūlanga le leila ia ele ise vesi file mo me so ora le fa vesi fu tatu pese no tatu apio folinga maule on le to vai un sai tu ile tua afa pe o lo finangalo le fast e tu lai te talo ile tua afa pe o lo finangalo toe fa wa le JBP
we are a nation, a religious nation, and we want the peace for...
Absolutely.
Yeah, we just want the best for Samoa, and I know that the cry has been just that. So, I know a lot of the time here, wavavek for ilikako on for Facebook. Almost sai. No, it's not easy, and it is. It's what I've noticed. People in Samoa and around the globe, they just want the best. You can
Absolutely.
see, and that's good. It's good to see that Samoa are getting behind, but we want the best. Yeah, we should. The behaviour. Yeah. Show our best behaviour. What I had an interesting conversation with an expert, the boss man. What would Jesus do?
Absolutely.
What would Jesus do? He's a very clever man. This man.
Yes.
What would Jesus do?
If he was in Samoa.
If he was in Samoa, what would Jesus do?
Absolutely. Yeah. Ole malia fo yo vainga o utilitilo lungo ape falling. Me se le tau te faunga ina platforms nei lungo ape falling.
Yeah.
Ile si tulanga fo ile wa matua sa ia ila taulenga ngana. Ia fo ile tu eluai tu o mea uma. Fo ile taule o fa pe mai. Ia fai fo ima tau te feitai. Ia wasala le matu feitai. Ia o le ali tulanga matulanga. Mana tu ele lo to ele tala le tu spa ia wa tau te fai tau tu si pum mata tau samo ai fa mele tala tu si a eita aua e te anga salai pesa au ia a eita aua ne e anga salai lo no winga fa atanga ta tu feita ola fa atanga ma you can get frustrated I'm pretty sure frustrated. I'm pretty sure Jesus has been frustrated. He was.
We are not perfect.
Absolutely,
we are not perfect. But it's really nice to see Samoa really, really getting involved. Really, it's such a beautiful thing, and the singing has been beautiful. And it highlights how strong we are when we're together. But just keep the peace, everyone, please. Normally Samoa, especially me. Us. We need to make sure that we play our parts to keep the peace. What would Jesus do?
No fai atu si vanga le si matu vanga le tatu vanga le fa mai. Peia wa peia le HRPP ia la yor konginga le plus.
Le konginga le blue wave.
Lango le o ma fau le mo te lungo le proclame le Talanoa I lungo le laulan mon.
Yes.
Le o le tonginga le blue waves la. Ye ke wa kongi se ka ika fa mo le faf. Ai le isa taitu o la utu ma te au ma le atua. Ia o mea manuia la lo no winga le tu e malo no lo le na te longa le tu le na langa I ma losi le mea moni.
And I think whoever whoever you support, HRPP, Port Fast, we still at the end of the day need to come together.
Absolutely.
And do the best for Samoa. We still have a voice, and just push forward. But no, I'm so proud of Samoa at the moment. All of the supporters just trying their best to push, for a positive change. But look, we'll just leave it to the expert.
I remember this funny thing. For isi wa inga for ina le na mato Talanoa Samoa. Ever since the too long I try to contact them.
O ke kwai for il menga le HRPP mai fast o le kupe. Wa kwai ke le nga send le kupe o le fale. So, you know what, Asiata, I've got the perfect advice for you. If you need to go see mum and dad or whoever is in Samoa, kasia le pingi le Pacific 40, then they so Pacific 40, if you need Pacific, those easy ways. It's actually a cheap and convenient way to look after mum and dad or cousin, because if I've a cousin, it's $5.
Can you do IOU on the Pacific 40?
I owe you to Tala'i, I'm sure. But you know what? We will be talking a little bit about sports next. Your show, TTA. Stay tuned, because right after this, we've got a few clips that's going to make you laugh. This show.
it, move it, baby. Move it, body.
Now, first of all, on behalf of LJ Hooker Now, we'd like to welcome you all to 8 Orakel Road here in popular Papatoetoe, Mangere East border. Ladies and gentlemen, would someone like to start me out with an opening bid? 1,400,000, 1.4 million, 1,550,000, 1,660,000 going once.
7-1.
1,701,000.
Yeah.
So there we are, it's on the market, ladies and gentlemen. The property's to be sold for the highest bidder.
1,900,000 now. 1,900,000.
No, 1,922,000. 1,550,000. Is that right, Tangaloa? All done. 2,010,000. Sold. Congratulations. 2,010,000.
We were really happy with today's result. We're over the moon with the final outcome from today. I definitely recommend Team Tagaloa. They've been amazing to work with.
Oh,
Wow.
Tagaloa Manase
Wow.
doing his
Wow.
thing. Oh, nice work.
2,010,000, 2,010,000, 2 million going once, going twice. Sold.
Sold, man.
Wow.
Well done. And that was Tagaloa Manase. That is the sponsor for ET Live. And whawhetai lava to Lea Whionga ia ET. Tui, you know, we have so much love and respect for him, and thank you. I really appreciate that we can broadcast across ET Live. If you don't already know, yes, he is the man that brings you the latest in the news and politics from either Samoa or all around the world. And he is, his live stream will be every Saturday, but a massive shout out to Tui who came through today. So,
Yeah, absolutely,
Yeah.
absolutely. That's a lot of money over there.
I
with,
know.
The
think-
housing and as well as you know the market.
Be umai
out
well,
there.
in the wrong industry. I think I could. Do you think I could sell a house?
Stay with BluTable. Stay with BluTable Talanoa.
Welcome back to BluTable Talanoa, where we do our best to connect with our local heroes, to tell you, to give you their stories in their words. So we've had a really busy week, but I wanted to quickly share this little quote before we head into
Absolutely.
is every thought that we put into the world affects it. Think love, think peace, and think harmony. So that I think is probably a nice way to put a little something for the show. So we've had some really good guests come through.
Absolutely.
So yeah, they've been awesome. How's your week been? I know you've
Marvelous.
been busy.
You know, marvelous. Quite busy week. Busy out of Vayaso.
Yeah.
Mai tawa ia umalil va so luteri o matato office.
Aya.
Me se
Well,
foi.
misia for a lunch nga masa nga
Thanks to the sushi company.
Yeah.
But yeah, na fai se matou busy, fai matou fai piponga
Yeah.
foi se matou kalisia. Nga alo foi o stasio alo so fa fe nga tele. Na halo matou fango matou faiva.
Oh.
We went fishing on if I can guess correctly, it was Monday. I saw fu antilola mata utia le vainga
Yeah.
na tupu le manto
I love fishing. I wonder if our viewers, viewers fishing.
I sila la tunu la to mai moa la el manto fe utile pelo io na lo manto fe mata utia la le manto wi ana mamua io sila mai le fila atana mai taila ia le na o le asa tu sila o le ala o mate ile ia
I think her name is.
I thought you said, I know for my name if
Dolphin.
It's
a dolphin.
Ole matafanga le wayuku. Na lo le manto no so le manto fa manto e se le fare va via. Ai tu sol temi le ora ma manto fo I mai pose mai ngor sfudul taia. Ai mo dioma ele 11 la vona pa ulia. Ia si nei a au le lei dolphin. Ia o mai lo makamaki. Ia mato atu foi le tau faila u.
So you try to save
the first aid, you know,
try to
CPU. Ia o tau fai ave tu la tangata le pe fa ten top man.
Ai ke lo e pe uma nga fail el ko CPR ka lo fai.
Ia vai lo kwa ka kia ia mo kwa yuki ia. Ia ai le ngata ile. Ia ni sine oi an tau se le manto fai va. Le vang mai vi marka mare so. Se fa e mo va le mo le na. Ia. Fai si uminga mai vi mare.
Oh my goodness! You know what? I think Hannah is a very good catch. But I'm okule kali kongo oelenga catching ele.
Vai mai vi ai runga le noni.
So this is a shark.
Yeah, that's a shark, the one that I'm holding.
So you'll be talking a little bit about fishing is actually a sport as well.
Oh, definitely.
So it looks like you've picked up the skills on Monday.
Yes,
definitely.
definitely.
Advanced ke lea la le poka lame le la au oi.
Ya le na nisi na va inga sa ya ile mantu ai pe fai na al fai ponga le sa mantu e man na ia le tu fata singa fo yo ila au le unali.
Yeah.
Le sunga ya tu mo me sore tu tonga ya vai. Ma tu pisi sa fata no ina mo te sa mo.
Oh yes.
Yo man na ia tele le fa mo ke ro ko you know we man tu ta mina fai poi fo ia.
I'm married.
Anyway, what's that bring back
yes, bringing back the memories. Oh yes, my lovely husband, Fala Semo, if you're watching.
Yeah, Fala.
Mange koe whaalole marry
No,
beautiful photos.
Yo na matua tale male. Ola lo sunga fa fenga nga pasta weta nga tele ar for tua ya melody fata. Yeah,
congratulations to the bride and groom. Stunning photos. So you've been really busy.
Been really busy. Mafuanga na no ule o mai fo ito no tanto ofisa e mo ule sa fo so anim fatel tale lo bokala. Ya ona sa.
Mamisi a kole lunch. Kole lunch that's the most important thing because food is life, but oh no, that's awesome.
Yeah, nisi la na vai nga fo ole weekend. No winga umanga pisi fai ngo fai poipo. E o tulanga fo ile mo sil fiel tote. E wala ti sil mai mo titiro mai ata fa pe ele tatele ni ti te fale ai.
Yeah.
Yeah, ai mo sil fiel tote. Yeah, ele ka fa vale fo ile.
No, it brings back memories.
ele ta fa mo fa sal. E fo ti te fa lo te fale ele ai.
Yeah.
Uma foi tu fasa longa. Yeah, I foi tu tentau to ile ami.
Again, Lord, you know, and that brings us to, you know, if you need somebody to help you with your decorations, Lord, let's see ainga leo ke close for you. Or Vaitolo celebrations, but I know you also have a salmon business who do the similar thing as well.
Pa au ko with the Vaitolo, you know.
Vaitolo celebrations. If you need someone to help you with to celebrate anything, your birthday, wedding, you know, life, then get in contact with Vaitolo Celebrations. Yeah, if I'm maluruaku kuzurikangaka lay on the admin. Kwai kere alinga yo le reply. And I think that's he's somewhere. But yes, if you need any decorations, head over to Vaitolo Celebrations. Hit like, share, and comment. And if you don't like it, comments for ingale, I'll like it next year. But that was the weekend.
Absolutely, yeah. Ona inisi na me tupu. E tulanga ole weekend na te nei, ya me sole lava yaso. Ai wo me tata longa.
Yeah.
Yeah, ole tu sa fo ya po o malolo se manto o pulu. Yeah, ai ele ma fai ona ave se alo lo tolanga o lea o te soli tu lo ele o kilani.
E ka kukusa ia le Blues ma le Warriors. O whaangoa le Warriors team.
Ia, ale tūlanga la le nā.
Yeah.
Ia, na ona tau wha te pate isi al tātou. Ai mesel tūlanga ona i al tātou pokala mo tali tā longa.
Yeah.
E lau tau sisi la mai o le o fua tu le jesi a le pulu. Ia, kou pulu, you know, the sun will rise again. Ngangua ka mai kisai. Ia, the sun will rise again. Au tau te popole. Ia, ai o le tūlanga matautia. Ai mesel pokala me tātou lea so toa nei nei. O lea ua mai a foi ona whaieftunga ina malisung mali iti lai. Ringa te lea o tātou o nanga le Blue Wave TV. Ma o se talafia fia. Lea la se iso inga te le la vole o nanga tātou pukalama. Ia mo le isi la dua vai aso. Ai o lea o lea. O le puenga foi lea matulanga le ai tātou tala i tālong. The most professional way.
Yes.
Ioi. Ia au te loa e fo i mai le tātou malo longa pe fa pe tau i mal tulang. Ona tau sila le samo i le tu ainga quality le o le adu atu i tātou tali talonga e fa o ngai nai fo i male o nanga le tātou i tila.
Yeah.
I rungo tātou ka ko ura hol malai.
Yes. So that means longa winga lale with there's a partnership with ET Live. I love it. Absolutely love it.
Absolutely la tau ai la ai o ka mai kin malai. La ko ka kui la se vai fai het kia. Wala sa ongal me het kia po het.
Yeah. Ole het kia nga.
Ioi.
Ole me sila le wai i le bench warmer le a.
Ya le na. Ole ala va tu lang awane ngalo. A fai to foi mai. Ya o mali tatu malo longa le.
Yeah.
Ona to se sila la ia le. I se fa e monga la ititi. Ole tu langa la ia tatu tala i talonga.
Stay tuned. Right up next.
Well. You know, it's half time and
It's half time, and we're here. So the water boy is here on the show
God.
today.
Really?
Talofa lava and welcome. It's so good to have Asiata today.
Oh, I thought you were introducing me as. I
It's
thought you were introducing me as. It's good to have like at least you know.
good to have the coach here.
Oh well. But as I'm pretty sure there's a little bit of a technical issue
Yes.
with the audio of our live, but don't worry. You know, they're still working on it.
Yeah.
But Lemo, can you be able to bring up that little video clip about the cough and the changes of our... Okay. Lenala, sila maila.
Yeah.
O le suinga le lela yel tātou.
Ia, o le tātou marivaenga le asiri atu na tāu o le tālo ka polo, o le mea ka o le patting. O le mea akoa le ko kisira me, o le ka o le green. O le mea le ke whae ke le songa mingo e pe ke mi mika i lungo le mea lea. O le whae ngana le mea aoronga e pata, whae pe o lau polo le i. O ngai kangolo me se mea, e maka i lau polo. Ngai kangolo e piki lunga le polo. O le polo, lai e le lainga lea. E vai linga uriuri lea, e kangola fast, whaka kia kongo le linga le o. Whaka kia kongo le linga le, i sao le o. Ia ngai saurore sau nge pata, o le whaingara le pata, ko ke lea. Wow, e ka sau mua whapea. Seki le o vai whapea. O ngai ngofore ma whainga usuingi se lua. O le anga usuingi ro, e ke whiri ngai po le ale ma mau e alua il polo. Ia ngai so soro le iluma, ku whapea lau pata. Make sure la sa sao le mo ia nga sao ngola e le pata ko le fai ngoli si me ke manga va ko a bunge fa lo mel polo e manga va ke manga mo ko ka o file lo manga va pata lo kikia ko wa tatu mo mai le fai o le me ka o la o lo e tre Singapore lo lining up ngol polo polo ko mai polo i e ko vai o ku ilalo e sau e au kilo po fkau le lainga e se fare ko luma nga sau ku fa pela o pake ku o vai fa pe ka ngole fainga sau se lua kas lua o le nga e loi po le ma mau ma manu se ropa ku sa o lo i laina vai luma vai ku vai luma aluro o me ale kas ate sa suma lo suan ki fa kai pe longo nai foi le e kam fai e ko suma ko pe ka fa uma e ya ka mai pe ya tu ko no fa penga ya oh ia fa uma lo to ko sa ko lo pata ko sa ko lo pata pa ka manga ia pati mai ya na fai unga na me silo wal polo la pa stai la asata ta sire va ngo le a fo yo ta longo ta vale we vai me la ta vale le e alwa ngai e fo io le kise o e nga la fai mo fai fai a wa fai ka wala kus polar kus komi por as coisa kus ala er war ka vale e ka o mai ka vale o nga o misir fai upu e que ro ka un fai ka o wa que la ve ai e ka o mai ka vale e ka mai ka vale asiata o ia play lo fa lo sau e kume mai mo le health and safety yangi me o mai ke ele se me ke ia a fa pe ia ke sa wala ile sa ngi le mai au kilo po fele me ke o fe kongul me makoria sa ma mau ma i o fele me ke o isi ka e lu ka makau o isi ka la vale ngai kam fele pe ke kuronga kong ka ola o mena ka o mena ka o ti le ma ka o ti o le afula pe afula le ka pole ka o ti off ora lai saung kuidalo ku mar bolo lunga ya ka savali lai le mai Lusen fonga la swing fa pe. Ma au kilo po fe kongu le me ke. Ma e vai. Po kilia o le fairway, wa o le mele ka o le fairway. E ke vai mua mo safety po kilia. Ai lo kilia saungu le ka lo pol. Ai ke le ka. Wa ku fa pe. Swingi. Loosen up. Swingi fonga fa pe ko au ma vai fa. He must steady up. Ai lo already. Ia ngai sa vali merole kongon me mua. Pe o isi ti off nga wa ko lau ti off mo fa ko sa kala. I ngai uso lang mua ko me mua ke sau ku ya lo fa pe. Ya lo pak address mele ka o address e so address e ku fa pe lo pak. Ia o nga sau ngi lo le o vai ma lo maru si kai. So de wa fa pe. De mele ke vai ma ia. Ai lo we ready. Sau ngi lo sau. Bye bye. Wow. Ore mea kong wala nga kaole. Ore kalaiwa. E alu lunga. Au kira le polo po fesime le e pau iai. O ar ke la pole o e oro la au. Ar polo la le nga alu lunga. Au kiro pau uro me kaunga pau iai. Mea ka le polo e tamai. Ia sumalo sunga e ke. Se mai le foi le polo e ke. Sau ngoa siata. Ya. La makia o le langu samsama. O le langu whaotanga na siata. Kanga upelo ungal pake le nga kongua uwa penga. Whalu ngeu sa sau se. Pa kangpo kwai fulia e felo sau nga. Ala le la tu lale lei ele o fa pe wa ku lale lei polo va ku lale polo la u mauro fa pe per ungal pake. Ka no le ku fa pe luma. Vai. E ke lo ko ka ora fu luma fa ku fa sa o vai allo fa pe sa si ko fa ku lo lima ku aro lima lu nga ko ngwa ku u mau nga fa ro ngeu sa fa penga vai que isso yes mata ngofi asa fa lo tu esi atel pa o polo ele a fai po fe lui al pa o me mo ka ma la ngala ve le polo o le direction me mun muri la ngala ve le polo la ko va ko le skas o le tu singa ka sur me ka ku lunga ku fa nge sa se lua ko sa nga ko fai ya so ku so lu nga fa nga pa nga lo vai lo kongwa la vea mesila ia siata mo nei tu lao nei aso na FC de mai ate o po ai tonu la to o e fetau i ne talonga mo lau tali mo au lava mo la to o e o matutua o no foi fale o le fai ngalben o la to na ya nga i talonga nei e fai ma fa malo stino ma so soani o la to boa uma mai o tindo o i e te nga elo sa vale a mo tu pulanga e fai ainga e mai mo taimi sa uni lo malo si ave ate elo ainga malo fanau o le luma nai na mo ai o lo tu lang we matu e pe o o na fa ma fai lo ne suma i amo te nei ainga mo o la fa mtala ngat na la sunga asia te tu sai foi ma fa si mai po ai la to a o le me si le ta wa te ne ta lo mo o ye te su e ai le me ta o le character o tangata po le malo si lo ta pe fa fe foi o wa o me ta o tolu o le ono sai o lo fa maoni malu tam fai e ye te mo ta lo ngal le polo alwa la o faina la ta lo e te fa nga angal pa ke kama ye ale mo fai e mo el penalty o a wistanga e o tua piki mai lo vai mai tu la o me na play lo fa maoni o lo on sai e tai me te tai le polo e kaunga kolu au kwao a ke o ko fiku o e ka o le anga le polo pe ke ka ku le polo le vai pa u le vai Ale o enga ele va pe ngofo fo poro alu o enga ka. O pau me ko ka se spola o nge pau le vai. Ai o sai lo loto. A wisi ele me fai eita. Ngofo rai le makai le lo palai la pu ai la ele o me. O le si me o nga we pa ke ya vai mo fa mal valeo tangata pa fai te ma pa fai sa la futulo le ngana. Tatu tal no pe me sa. E lo tu el fa va o le me ta o le character o i. E sai ne po la ma lo si lo character. O male si me mo buli. O lo fa lo alo. E si pa wa ngir taro ngungu uma. Pe ia ke manga ku for kalo le ku nga sur fong le a mer pon me por kap. Ke vai no fo mo ke mo ku fa pe nga umar kalo nge sar pisa. E o le ka u le kalo o longo vingo lo fa lo alo a ka le si fa mo mo o te pisa. Fa lo alo yo. Le si foi me. O le si me le a fa tu ti mi sia ta u a siata. O tere tere o mo fa fa ma tu te ta. O te fie si ai se fai au ti a siata. Se o mtua le ma fo fa o de tanga. O pe tau tala o le ngana o te musu ta wat. O le mena te fa tu atu ai. E siri a o le mo tanga te re fai o wa e tau ya pa wa pa le sa mo fe o pa vale. A fa fonga la ela o lotu o la so finanga. E le mana e o me fo le o fa tu e ma to fa fa. A uni tu ka polo ai o fa ka van polo. Wa ele se stress ya te o me fa penda. O la mea whautua tu marata ua lea te o talo, o mea i o mo te vai ei. O no uro leo stangata ta kāpolo, tangata lea. Ia mana whalo alu lava i malu le tatou a pukalama nei tūla.
Oh, ka whiola. Asiata, wa o mai au.
Wow, look at that champagne.
Wasau le koe inga. O mai a oe anga sau ia tauti lea e whailma po kalamia ngi wasili le pai lo o mai maka ifo makwa ele.
I'm trying to figure out if did he just tell me off there?
Te umanga e lako e whailo show
E o ke ngier ko i.
E le walking ngier fe whao.
Yeah, ele tu ole o te lo le nganga ole sunga tauti.
Yeah.
O tauti o sunga tauti mo sila fia. O i ole pristine ole kalapu le alpenina.
Yes.
Yeah, le ta alo I ope fa mai mo o I ta ele fa mai mo te le ta alo I Waterdown's golf course.
Yeah.
So ole sunga ra di pristine. Le vela na sila jona lai. Ole asa wa ai la kam.
Oi, oka. I saw like sponsor Seki Works.
Yes, Taino Maria.
Taino Maria, le tausalia Maria. Oh, wow.
Ma tau tia le to mai o sunga tau ti. So o le sona tai au e mo mai fa tan no nga ma sunga tau ti. Ia I le tatou officer. Ia ma vaenga fo I ole malai tapol. Ia mo nisi o vaenga I tau le restalaina o le tamata alo. O le tupe ma le tau au fa I fa aluina ma tuna fa le ai ele ka alo fuari fa mo le mo. Ala sa siri lai tu. Vai lau kanga por momo.
Ke lo le kala ko inga fa me mesilia o la vea. Mesili wala pe. Ke lo ma ko maka. Awang e ko e kale le pio le. Kalo fa si ko inga wala ko fa pe ai ko le lo ka ma ko ai. I'm not gonna say it.
Ya, ole tu langa na le ia tatu po kala mitalo. Ai le ngata le ole la atu ina tu mara unanga ilungo le unanga ET live. So special thanks to the big bro by himself.
Yeah.
Tui editor pini. Ia mo le vaenga o tanto o va lua wa fo le fa lautelina. Tu langa tanto talo. Yeah, mai se la o tau mo fainga nei fo to ina. The bit I like the most when he advises it's a game for preferably for the elderly.
Yeah, well, I definitely would not suggest that you go back to. But oh man, what a pro! The favorite part of it was just that. Had fun, you know, it was a good laugh, love, you know, it was really nice to see, you know, our people just having a good time and that they're enjoying life and that they still enjoy at that age to tell us asiata of mange fo I kanga kai o kengi fo o kinga fo o kalinga fa kongi fo le ai la me kasi
ai o le vaenga si le no o popoe o le tūlanga len sau noa I whawhianga inga. O te wha moe moe. E le o aru ia wau ki ro. E haru rau whawhianga e tāporo.
Fine.
E a whapea lau whawhianga inga nai ane tāporo. I ele e o ngā o tala sto ina ia. E tau te tali e ai matūlanga. O le sini o me uma. Whanta waro so I whoma lolo ina. A le inga o me whaia. O so ilaro man moenga. Ai aru ngā ukari whale tāporo. Yeah,
Well, before we go into our music break, a shout out to Michael Lepo. Michael Lepo is actually going to be our next sports star on the show.
Wow.
So Michael Lepo, we will see you on Friday there at the awards night. Tala Filippo and Fo'ati Ngutu. Massive shout out to all of our viewers. Thank you so much for tuning in. We're going to go into a quick music break. Stay tuned. We're going to talk a little bit about TTA, not about how bad he plays, but a little bit more about the show. Stay tuned, everyone.
I get it down on the dance floor. Watch this.
Mangaya kelea le pese si vai for your Wednesday afternoon here on BluTable Talanoa. Yeah, look, we want to say thank you, a special thank you to all of our viewers, wherever you are in the world. Talofa lava, and we hope you are having a great day. We've just had a few shout outs here,
Yes.
but Christina, thank you so much, Christina, for informing us awaile the connection there. We do apologize for that, so we've had our team work on that. And
yeah, a big shout out to as well.
Moss Robertson.
That's the one. Yeah, I was just about to say that
Yes.
as well. Also to the brother Jaimali, to Vafusbati and the beautiful wife, Amalo Jilo. So I'm going to tell you, show uncle. Let's have a winner of Gissil Leila Song. The Sungaya Fata, Fatai Fata, Tamati Lelua. Le wato ai tau no i Australia, ia ilistete la le leo Sydney, Australia. Fatai lava molo ta ofu. Ioi no wale fa e se wan kon nafi ia ai fa tau e malo ofu fo la fo i ol mala vale big shout out to mau talo to ai tau no fa ngamlanga e me se fo i o anti taisisi ya male fa now. See you guys next week. Why you guys will be in New Zealand next week? So
Yes, because the borders are open now.
absolutely
I
and
know,
no quarantine.
No quarantine. And there has been a few talk about the vaccine, and we apologize because Lorenzo, we do have lined up as well. We have been just waiting for confirmation. Awaile book launch lea Misa Telefoni. So keep an eye out for his book launch that's happening this week. So a massive thank you to Say Oriana Mal gift shop there in Mangele.
Yes.
Lava, thank you so much for always supporting us here at Blue, since day one. So I really appreciate it. And also to our surrounding businesses for your support, love and support. I know from 4 onwards, you tiptoe around the show, but, that's what we're all about. We're just going to live stream.
Absolutely. That's fa po po tu fa malo e mel malvanga na ile se Oriana.
Yes.
E le mot Samoa. A me se fo yo le tusi le vionga. E le fo isa be ma minister sui o kapeneta sui o fono su tofia ngata ile o sui palemia. Monita usanga tele o tona. Honorable le vionga ile la auna fausia misa telefoni.
Yeah.
Yeah, ma wala le tatou fa tatanonga e te lope le to mau e sa le neva yas ole a confirm to love fa mo tu o te lunga program mal tau sala ya pe.
And please, if you're looking for a place to purchase the book, please head over to Say Oriana and Mal will be able to hook you up. And also, we do have a special guest tomorrow as well if we don't have the book launch, which is a young Fowina. Yes, he will be on the show tomorrow to talk a little bit about his journey and his connection with, just a few things that a lot of people frown upon, but he will tell us in his words what life has been like for him, and he's now graduated. But I love the story. A lineup for Friday, Asofalele Awangi Ingalo, we have Wayno and 651 in the Fale.
Wow.
So can't wait. Yep. 651 has been, his music representing our Samoan culture, his music, bringing it through. I know Musika 651. So he's a massive contribution
is there a
to our
652?
Na oelenga 652 few kiki au kilo po filming kai le polo.
Famai karala ka. E tiro por ka. Ele mama ko no famai. O fa ko ya mo famai. Me siria la vea. Esse foi de
Hello, me siria le wa honest feedback aku esi ko inga le. Au wanga e ko alwi o wato down.
Fatalo fatu ia il tofina rejoice fata le mafuta mai kata ile. Le tofina ia fa ngutu le mafuta mai I Samoa.
Yes.
Songi vai o ile vea e menga kupu mai ngai muringu.
Look, it's been an awesome day. Thank you once again to Asiata. Don't forget TTA will now be broadcasted on ET Live. So stay tuned, and a massive thank you to ET.
Absolutely. Langa we really appreciate. That's why I like him. You know, don't forget TTA Talanoa Talanoa.
Yeah.
Masiata ya sutonai. Ya sawi ka ko kali ki fiu foi ke aka. A fai foi ai umayangi me ke moya lo moenga. Ya na olo atara foi.
Yes. It's all about no. Thank you. Yes, you know, the opportunity here for BluTable Talanoa. It's a little bit different.
Absolutely.
But we are here. We want to share everyone's stories and inspire plants for ESS seed and the next generation. But say, Oriana, the Pacific Business Hub, Laura, for Whitai Lava.
Yes.
Of course, Makanet, if you need to speed up the internet connection. Makanet, proudly owned by Money. So please head over to Makanet now. If you Blue Wave, all of the businesses that surround us, it's been thank you. Without our viewers, we wouldn't have a show, so thank you to you all. Did you have any final words?
Well, nothing, pretty much. It's been said, and looking forward to see you this Saturday at 12. So we'll move to Isi Lan Time on tau mo wasi nau malolonga pia umar iti live arule free market. Fai dau fa kau. Iyo, walongo winga a so o atu pia umar iti live. E ngofo o fa le le fisa ka ura sa ia ai mai lo ni tanga ta se fa mo pio va liko ia fa tai fo pe mo le fa no ina man tu o substitute for ile o on off ia ma no fa
bench warmer. It's always good to have you. I love it.
I'm a permanent bench warmer. Also shout out to my fafenga ia me se fo o nei o matua ia ma ainga umala and all of you fans.
Thank you so much. God bless. Take it easy, and we'll see you tomorrow.